Wherever you go, go with all of your heart. Confucius. When we returned from Annapolis, it was time to get the boat ready for our Caribbean cruise. One of the things on our to-do list was to replace the all-around white anchor light at the top of the mast. It had burned out last year while we were in the Bahamas, and I never got around to replacing it. So Lisa hoisted me up the mast. She also found time to get in some light stretching while I was hanging 62 feet in the air. It was a nice view, at least. When I was done, Lisa wanted to turn at the top to see the sights and reenact her Titanic moment. Lisa's friend Sandy was on a cruise with a stop in San Juan. That gave us the perfect opportunity for one last adventure in Puerto Rico before sailing away.
We are on our way to San Juan. We are picking up our friends John and Sandy Horvath from the Carnival cruise ship port terminal place. We're going to go to the Bacardi Rum distillery tour, do rum tasting, because when you're pirates, that's what you do, you taste rum.
Sweet.
I'm pretty excited. I haven't seen my friend Sandy since I retired last year. Her and I retired pretty much about the same time. She was March, I think I was April. And then John, her husband, is a retired helicopter pilot from the Vietnam era. So David will have a little bit in common with him. He can talk to John while Sandy and I catch up.
Yeah, it'd be good seeing them for a few hours while they're in port.
And taste some rum.
We headed over to the Bacardi factory and had an expertly poured 10 a.m. wake-up drink. Oh, the sacrifices we make sometimes.
Tropical sun right there.
Tropical sunrise. You can't go to Puerto Rico without a sunrise, right?
Yeah. So much especially in the morning.
Right there.
1958, they established our current distillery. If you guys take a look to the left, you'll couple of things first that we're using for our process. Now we're starting with this little piece right here. Do you guys know what this is? Sugarcane. Now the thing is, sugarcane is very important.
The first Bacardi distillery was in Santiago de Cuba. After the revolution in 1960, the Bacardi company's assets were seized and the family traveled to the U.S. They continued creating great rum in Tatono, Puerto Rico. Today, this is the largest rum distillery in the world, where they bottle over 2.3 million cases a year. It sits on over 127 acres, right next to the beautiful San Juan harbor, overlooking El Morro Fort.
To the rum tasting room. I hope you guys are ready.
Okay.
If you're not ready, it's too late. And perfect. You guys already got the head start, which I always like to mention. Agua. Muy importante. You're going to need some water to cleanse the palates. We have a new one coming up next. Now do remember to have some water. And for this one right here, which was released last year as well, now we're getting a lot into the smokiness. This one you can taste a lot more of the charred barrel. The Bacardi Rum Reserva 10.
There is a gift shop where you can purchase reserve rum straight from the factory and have it sealed and bottled right in front of you.
Good morning, guys. Sorry that this is going to be a little wobbly. One, I'm using my phone, and two, I am walking. Today is Monday, and I believe November 17th, and it is probably going to be my last morning walk in Puerto Rico here. Well, Puerto Real, till we go to our next island down further south of Puerto Rico, in Puerto Rico. And it's bittersweet. Bitter because I've been here basically 6 months, and I've made several friends and became a part of the community, and it's just beautiful and gorgeous. And sweet because we are living the gypsy life. We are moving to our next destination with our mobile home. And I just wanted to bring you guys on my last morning walk, let you take a little bit, let you see a little bit of what I see every morning. My favorite guard dogs are usually here in this house, and they're usually on their best pose. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good guard dog. That's a good boy. So handsome. Buenos dias. And there's the buddy back there. Bye, guys. You have a wonderful doggy life. Good morning. Buenos dias, perro. Hey, perro. Buen dia. Buen dia, my little one. Good morning. Where are your buddies? Oh, there's your buddy. There's your buddy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello. Oh, so pretty. Look at you, so pretty. Oh, yep. And there's your buddy back there in the background. He's like, I'm no dummy. I'm staying in the shade. That's what he said. You tell me the doggy story. What is the doggy story for today? Oh my goodness, I don't believe it. I don't believe that doggy story. And there's my shadow. Hi, where'd you come from, little one? There's the little one. Hi, buddy, did you escape? Say I got out of my yard. Good morning, fellas. Yeah, you tell me. You tell me all about it. If anyone is familiar with having gargoyles guarding your home, if you live on a tropical island, your gargoyles may be another species. And of course, I gotta show you my favorite little pink house. It's so beautiful and so pink. How can you not be happy living in that? As you can see and hear, I have made many, many furry friends. These are the little friends that I usually see on my morning walks. Very good guard dogs. What? What? There you are. There you are, precious. Good morning, fellas. Are you watching Mama drive by? Are you watching Mama going to work? Good morning. Come say hello. Oh, I know. Hi, precious. Good morning, precious. And the geese are jealous. Don't forget the little kitty kitty. I'm coming up on one of my favorite nautical themed houses, and they have their Christmas decorations up too. I love this little house. I think someone may have their Thanksgiving dinner in the yard. Hey, Turkey Tom. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Morning. Oh, hi, little one. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, my goodness. So cute. Who's the cute little fur ball?
That is a fur ball.
Yeah, he's just one little cute patootie. Let me give you some last lovin's in case I don't see you later. Oh, you get that paw up. You get that leg up and let me scratch that belly. Let's see, how can I do this? Let me scratch that belly. Let me scratch that belly. Oh, the belly scratching. The belly scratching is the best. Oh, Marina, you take care of your mama.
Once Lisa had said goodbye to all of her furry friends, she made the long walk down the dock to start getting Unwritten Timeline ready to head off on new adventures.
The old cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you.
Remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode when we visit Phosphorescence Bay. We'll see you guys next time.
Ignore the clock and the things I can find.